Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to make sprouts with whole grain moong, and we will be making this in a sprouts maker. And in this video, I will also tell you which one is the best sprouts maker for you. So here I will take the required quantity of green moong, and we need to rinse it really well. You need to rub it with your hands because these grains come with a lot of dust and dirt. I will drain out this excess water. I washed it for 3 to 4 times and will soak it overnight. Next day morning, this was about I think 10-11 hours, so there is a bit of bubbles also forming in. I rinsed it 2 more times, and this is the green moong all ready for sprouting. Here I am using the plastic sprouts maker. This comes with 3 compartments and one for collecting water. So down part is not having any holes, and here you need to put this red cap. So I will be putting the first plate here, and then we need to place the grains whatever you want to put for sprouting. I will keep half of the moong here, and then I will spread it gently. We need to keep the area around this red cap empty, so I will leave some space there. In the second plate, again we need to keep it opposite. The red cap that you can see, we need to keep it on opposite directions. So here I am keeping it, and here I am putting some kabuli chana for sprouting. This also I soaked last night only. And in the next one, again I will put the red cap and will place the remaining moong as well. Now the time that is required for sprouting varies from grain to grain. For moong dal it takes less time, but for kabuli boot it takes more time. So I will just cover it. It's already moist, as you can see from here. I did not make it dry or anything. I just rinsed it with water. While it was still moist, I kept it inside the sprouts maker, and we will let this rest. Here I have the terracotta sprouts maker also, and this is after about 3 hours. You can see little bit of sprouts coming in from the green moong. It's just 3 hours, but then still the process has started because moong takes less time. And for kabuli chana or for black chana or few other grains, it takes longer. For the kabuli chana, you can see there is no progress, nothing has developed because it takes at least 1 day time for the process to start. So this is the first place, then I showed you the second, and this is the progress in the third one. Again, small sprouts are coming in, the process has already started. Because it's already moist, I will just cover it and allow it to rest for a few more hours. This is the next day morning, so it was there overnight, and next day morning this is the progress. You can see sprouts are there, but then it's not that long. You need to wait for 1 more day for the sprouts to be really long, but we prefer consuming it at this stage only, so I will be cooking it today. But for the kabuli chana it would take some more time, so I will keep it. So here the moong is all ready. At this stage you can consume it, and for the chana I will just leave it like that for maybe 1 more day so that I get longer sprouts. I will just cover it. So you can just use one of the compartments, 2, or the whole of the 3 compartments. So here I boiled the moong with some salt and turmeric and kitchen king masala, and here I fried some onion and tomatoes. We'll make a fine paste with this, and here I'm making banana pitha for my kid's lunch box because he will be staying at daycare for the whole day. So I woke up at around 7 a.m. today and started preparing all our lunches. Here I have some capsicum and potato fry. I'm cooking this as well for our lunch. So here the gravy is all ready. I will mix it with the moong. You can either consume it with your salad, you can make curry, you can use it to make chila, etc. There are different ways of consuming these sprouts, and they are really good for your health. And this is what I am packing for today's lunch. This is for me and my husband. Here I have some protein powder, then stevia, then dried blackberries and curd. So I will mix everything well. One box is ready. For the second one, I'm taking capsicum and potato shallow fried. So I'm putting this for the second box. For both of us, we take the same lunch to office, but our kid would take something different because he will not eat these. So I'm keeping the second box. And for the third one, I will put the gravy that I made with sprouted green moong. So this time during this morning, it's quite a time of hurry. I need to pack everything, lunch for 3 of us, and I also need to think what my kid will eat because he will stay there for the whole day from 9:30 to 6 o'clock. So here my husband's lunch was ready, and this is my lunch. I will pack this as well. So I'm just taking lunch because we get snacks at office only. And today we got burger. So here I'm packing this also. And for my kids' lunch, here I have a papaya. So I will add few pieces of papaya. He likes fruits. So when he will stay in daycare for the whole day, I prefer giving him some fruits so that he can have it at 12 o'clock. And then for evening, I will give him something which will not get bad so that he can consume. Here I'm adding one cucumber also. He did not eat this, but he had the fruits. Often with lunch and dinner, he prefers eating cucumber, so I gave him. And here I'm giving some watermelon also. I also bought black grapes, but I forgot to add that. So this is what I packed in this box with a water bottle. I will give him in his school bag, and the other one for his daycare bag that also I need to keep. So this school bag was ready with this lunch. And here in another container I'm adding banana pitha which I prepared. This is again his favorite and he consumes it. So I'm giving more of it because I don't know. Sometimes he will eat only this. Sometimes he might eat only fruits. So I'm giving more quantity so that whatever he wants to eat, he can eat and he will be full for the day. In another one, I am adding some dried blackberries. And here I will add some cashew nuts as well so that if he is still hungry, he can eat this. I am also giving him 2 bananas and oranges because I don't know, sometimes he would want to eat only fruits, sometimes he might want to eat only banana pitha, so whatever he prefers he can eat this. So 3 oranges, 2 bananas, some dry fruits, and I give him 2 water bottles, 1 extra pair of clothes, and he is all set to go to school. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video, and until next time, bye, see you. And also if you are looking for more sprouts related videos, I have a playlist related to sprouts. You can check that out. Bye for now.
আরে রান্নি কি করে আছা প্যান্টটা চেঞ্জ করিছা নাকি প্যান্ট কে চেঞ্জ করিছা